Thanksgiving and the holidays are not far away, and many of you must be thinking of making your favorite cranberry sauce. How about making that same cranberry sauce but with a little bit of twist in it? Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi, and this is my way of making a delicious cranberry chutney. For making cranberry chutney we need cranberries. I have taken fresh ones, but you can even use frozen cranberries. I washed them very well and then patted them dry with a clean cloth. If you see any of them looking a bit sad, then discard them. Pot on medium heat, add a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil gets hot, add a little bit of brown mustard seeds. Allow the seeds to splutter. Then comes the warm spices, a dried bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Stir for a few seconds. Next, the cranberries tumble down with all their ruby red gorgeousness. Add some water and then sugar. I like adding a little bit of finely grated ginger. Then cover it partially over medium-low heat for a few minutes. In the meantime, we need the zest of an orange, and I will be even using the juice of this whole orange. I also need some dates. Dates give a wonderful natural sweetness to this chutney, and you are going to love it. Okay, let's now check what's happening in that pot. The cranberries have started bursting and falling apart. At this point, I added just a tiny pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Then the orange zest, the orange juice, the dates, and finally some golden raisins. As you can see, the syrup has started to thicken up. So I usually do a taste test at this point just to check whether it needs more sugar or not. And my sweet tooth feels that it needs a little more of sugar and a splash of water to loosen up everything. Next, I like adding a little bit of ground nutmeg, but this is totally optional. Cover it again on low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens up more. 10 minutes done, lid off, and look at this red beauty. Shiny, glossy, and looks absolutely delicious. The dates give so much flavor to this chutney. Guys, please, you've got to try this recipe at least once. Remove the bay leaf and cinnamon stick as their jobs are done. Do not wait till the sauce turns too thick, as it will thicken up more once it cools down. So this consistency is perfect. You can make this 2 to 3 days ahead of time. I even freeze them and enjoy them for several months. Bye bye.